Today we will discuss the topics of metrology and measurements. I explained the vernier gauge usage and gauge or micrometers. This instrument is a lifetime instrument for everyone mechanical. If you go in any one manufacturing industries or assembly industries, you should have these equipments available in all those. This is a measuring devices. Namely, the first one is a vernier caliper. There are different type of vernier calipers available. So based on the material. Suppose the size within the limit of 150, 120, 150, we can use this vernier caliper. If that beyond the 150 to 200 mm length, 150 to 200 mm diameter of material, we cannot use this type of vernier caliper. We use the appropriate vernier caliper. The dimension should be more than 150 plus to more than 300. Okay, this is a simple vernier micrometer. Generally, this is called as a what? This scale? This is a scale, the mentioned vernier scale. We can move reciprocating order and axis. First one is a fixed jaw, movable jaw. Okay. This is a needle, but we can measure the depth of any member approximately. But we generally use in depth vernier or depth micrometers or bore micrometers. If we want a rough or approximate value, we can use this scale. For example, if we want this hole height, okay, we cannot using this scale. Just we can see the distance, but it does not show the accurate values. This is made by high precision. Okay, so then only we can use the height. For examples, we cannot measure the inside of hollow. So at the time we should use, if we have not a bore micrometer, if we have depth micrometer, at the time we can measure this depth by using the vernier caliper. We can get the approximate values. So no need to scale. We can show the reading 65.40. Exactly, this reading is 65.40. Suppose we measuring the, this is a fully open side, so we can measure this one here. We can also measure the outside of surface. 6 only it shows. By the maximum, it shows 6 only. That means the 60 mm, but it's shown 65.40, the accurate value. So the most of the industries prefer for the vernier caliper for getting the better output. So this is maybe in assembly parts. Suppose our customer of this partner, the requirement, the specification should be made by ourselves. The responsible for the specifications we are. Suppose they make them mistakes, they are getting from me and then they assemble during the production time. What happens? Mismatch. Does not assemble. Okay. So what happens? The production is totally stopped. Employees are ideally standing. So time waste, employer cost waste, natural resources. Or what happened? Our customers would find harm. Okay, avoiding that purpose, so we should using the vernier caliper frequently. Every piece should be checked by the vernier caliper. If height or depth or outside diameters or inside. We want the inside diameter. We can using the moving jaw. One jaw fixed and another movable jaw. We can measure. This jaw is used to measure the inside of the diameters or bores or cavity blocks. This reading shows 24.20, but we cannot measure. It show the 24 only. So deviation 0.20. This itself does not give a high accuracy.